初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Hi. How's your day treating you?
Hi. How's your day treating you?
嗨，你今天过得怎么样？
Hi. How's your day treating you?
Hi. How's your day treating you?
Nice to see you today.
Nice to see you today.
今天见到你真好。
Nice to see you today.
Nice to see you today.
What a lovely afternoon it is.
What a lovely afternoon it is.
多么美好的下午啊！
What a lovely afternoon it is.
What a lovely afternoon it is.
Did you have a good time?
Did you have a good time?
你玩得开心吗？
Did you have a good time?
Did you have a good time?
I'm doing great, thank you kindly.
I'm doing great, thank you kindly.
我很好，非常感谢你。
I'm doing great, thank you kindly.
I'm doing great, thank you kindly.
Happy birthday. Wish you joy.
Happy birthday. Wish you joy.
生日快乐！祝你快乐！
Happy birthday. Wish you joy.
Happy birthday. Wish you joy.
Have a wonderful holiday ahead.
Have a wonderful holiday ahead.
祝你接下来的假期愉快。
Have a wonderful holiday ahead.
Have a wonderful holiday ahead.
Best wishes for your new job.
Best wishes for your new job.
祝你新工作一切顺利。
Best wishes for your new job.
Best wishes for your new job.
I'm hungry. Can I have rice?
I'm hungry. Can I have rice?
我饿了，可以给我米饭吗？
I'm hungry. Can I have rice?
I'm hungry. Can I have rice?
Would you like some soup with that?
Would you like some soup with that?
你想要配点汤吗？
Would you like some soup with that?
Would you like some soup with that?
I need to buy some groceries.
I need to buy some groceries.
我需要买些食品杂货。
I need to buy some groceries.
I need to buy some groceries.
I'll help you find that shop.
I'll help you find that shop.
我会帮你找到那家店。
I'll help you find that shop.
I'll help you find that shop.
I'm sorry I'm late today.
I'm sorry I'm late today.
对不起，我今天迟到了。
I'm sorry I'm late today.
I'm sorry I'm late today.
Sorry for bothering you now.
Sorry for bothering you now.
抱歉，现在打扰你。
Sorry for bothering you now.
Sorry for bothering you now.
My appointment is at 3 p.m.
My appointment is at 3 p.m.
我的预约在下午3点。
My appointment is at 3 p.m.
My appointment is at 3 p.m.
Shall we confirm the time again?
Shall we confirm the time again?
我们再确认一下时间好吗？
Shall we confirm the time again?
Shall we confirm the time again?
Can I see the breakfast menu?
Can I see the breakfast menu?
我可以看看早餐菜单吗？
Can I see the breakfast menu?
Can I see the breakfast menu?
I'd like porridge and eggs.
I'd like porridge and eggs.
我想要粥和鸡蛋。
I'd like porridge and eggs.
I'd like porridge and eggs.
This pair of shoes is comfy.
This pair of shoes is comfy.
这双鞋很舒服。
This pair of shoes is comfy.
This pair of shoes is comfy.
How much is this pair?
How much is this pair?
这双多少钱？
How much is this pair?
How much is this pair?
Do you have this in size 38?
Do you have this in size 38?
这个有38码的吗？
Do you have this in size 38?
Do you have this in size 38?
Can I pay here with cash?
Can I pay here with cash?
我可以在这里用现金支付吗？
Can I pay here with cash?
Can I pay here with cash?
Any discounts for holidays?
Any discounts for holidays?
节假日有折扣吗？
Any discounts for holidays?
Any discounts for holidays?
Where can I buy a notebook?
Where can I buy a notebook?
我在哪里可以买到笔记本？
Where can I buy a notebook?
Where can I buy a notebook?
Thanks for your help. I'm grateful.
Thanks for your help. I'm grateful.
谢谢你的帮助。我很感激。
Thanks for your help. I'm grateful.
Thanks for your help. I'm grateful.
Excuse me, what time do you open?
Excuse me, what time do you open?
打扰一下，你们几点开门？
Excuse me, what time do you open?
Excuse me, what time do you open?
Go straight and turn left there.
Go straight and turn left there.
直走，然后在那里左转。
Go straight and turn left there.
Go straight and turn left there.
Could you help me check the time?
Could you help me check the time?
你能帮我看看时间吗？
Could you help me check the time?
Could you help me check the time?
Is there a bookstore nearby?
Is there a bookstore nearby?
附近有书店吗？
Is there a bookstore nearby?
Is there a bookstore nearby?
Can you speak a little clearer?
Can you speak a little clearer?
你能说得更清楚一点吗？
Can you speak a little clearer?
Can you speak a little clearer?
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
请你重复一遍好吗？
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
I'm sorry I forgot your name.
I'm sorry I forgot your name.
对不起，我忘了你的名字。
I'm sorry I forgot your name.
I'm sorry I forgot your name.
How do I get to the mall?
How do I get to the mall?
我怎么去购物中心？
How do I get to the mall?
How do I get to the mall?
Would you mind passing the salt?
Would you mind passing the salt?
你介意把盐递给我吗？
Would you mind passing the salt?
Would you mind passing the salt?
I love celebrating small moments.
I love celebrating small moments.
我喜欢庆祝小小的时刻。
I love celebrating small moments.
I love celebrating small moments.
That's a wonderful wish for you.
That's a wonderful wish for you.
那是一个对你美好的祝愿。
That's a wonderful wish for you.
That's a wonderful wish for you.
This dish is just right for me.
This dish is just right for me.
这道菜正合我的口味。
This dish is just right for me.
This dish is just right for me.
You're doing fantastic work.
You're doing fantastic work.
你的工作做得太棒了。
You're doing fantastic work.
You're doing fantastic work.
I agree with your suggestion.
I agree with your suggestion.
我同意你的建议。
I agree with your suggestion.
I agree with your suggestion.
Don't worry. I forgive you.
Don't worry. I forgive you.
别担心，我原谅你。
Don't worry. I forgive you.
Don't worry. I forgive you.
I truly thank you for your care.
I truly thank you for your care.
我真心感谢你的关心。
I truly thank you for your care.
I truly thank you for your care.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。